Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how easy it is to install the AeroSense Smart Thermostat from WatchNet. Before removing the old thermostat, make sure to turn off the furnace power from the breaker. Now remove the old thermostat and take a picture of the old wiring. To know where to connect the wire once you install the WatchNet thermostat. Now open the Smart Thermostat box and you should see the following. Once you remove the old thermostat, you can also patch the holes on your drywall. Now install the base plate first and screw it on both sides. Install also the cover for the screw to hide it. Unscrew the thermostat at the bottom and separate the back from the screen. And then carefully mount it on the base with the wires passing through in the middle. Now, screw the back from both sides onto the base plate. Once the back is secured, connect the wire to the designated terminal based on the previous wiring, or you can also check our manual for the wiring guide. Lastly, connect the screen and screw it at the bottom. You can now turn on your furnace, and you should see the WatchNet booting up shortly. You'll need to connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi to add it to your phone. Tap the gear icon at the bottom left corner and look for the network settings. And then select Wi-Fi setup. Select your Wi-Fi and enter your Wi-Fi password. You will see a checkmark icon beside the Wi-Fi name if it's successful. Now, go back to the previous menu and look for the System Information menu, and from here you will see the QR code that you will scan from the AeroSense mobile app. From your phone, download the AeroSense app. You can download it from Play Store for Android and App Store for iPhone. Tap the Open when done, and create an account to start. The app will send you a verification code on your email. Enter it on the app to verify your account. Once done, you can now log in with your account on the app. When you log in for the first time, it will ask you to add the device by scanning the QR code from the System Information screen. When successful, you will see the device model and serial number. Enter the location name and tap the Add Device button. You can now tap the Smart Thermostat and adjust your temperature remotely. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.